Hello, good morning. Hi children, how are you? How are you doing? I hope you are doing very well. Dear students, today we are learning about the third lesson, Rocks and Minerals from 5th class Science. Children, in previous classes we have learned what are rocks, kinds of rocks, types of igneous rocks. Now we are learning about sedimentary rocks. What are sedimentary rocks? Types of sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, types of metamorphic rocks. Now, let us discuss about sedimentary rocks. First, on the basis of formation, rocks can be classified into three types. First one, igneous rocks. Second one, sedimentary rocks. Third one is metamorphic rocks. We are going to learn about sedimentary rocks. A major portion of the Earth's land surface is covered with sedimentary rocks. These are formed from pebbles, sand, mud, or clay that are deposited in seas and oceans. These are brought to the shore by flowing water or floating ice and are built up in layers called sediments. The layers are cemented together by minerals. The layers are cemented together by minerals. Dear students, sedimentary rocks, a major portion covers sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, about 75% of the Earth's land surface is covered by sediment rocks, but they considered only 5% of the Earth crust by volume. Sedimentary rocks, as time passes, more sediments build up which press down lower layers. The continuous pressure upon the lower layers hardens then into rocks. Such rocks are called sedimentary rocks. See here material pieces of rocks, sand, pebbles, etc. comes down with water are blown by wind and they all settle down in the rivers on seabed. Along with it plants material died and they also and animals settle down as the time passes, layers upon layers, and over time the bottom layers turn into rocks, that is sedimentary rocks. I hope clear about how sedimentary rocks form. Now let us see important points. First one is sedimentary rocks formed in layers. Fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. Okay dear students, let us see types of sedimentary rocks in detail. There are many kinds of sedimentary rocks. Certain kinds of sedimentary rocks are formed from the shells of tiny sea creatures. First one is sandstone. Sandstone. Second one is conglomerate. Third one is shale. Fourth one is limestone. We are learning about sandstone. Sandstone is a common sedimentary rock. Sandstone is a common sedimentary rock. It is made from particles of sand that get cemented together. It mostly contains quartz grains. Sandstone may be yellow, brown, red or pink in color. The Red Fort in Delhi is made of red sandstone. The Red Fort in Delhi and many places in Rajasthan are made of sandstone. Next one is conglomerate. Conglomerate is a rock of uneven texture. It is formed from pebbles and gravel cemented together by minerals and sand and carried by water. Conglomerate is found mostly in shades of grey or orange. It is used as an ornamental rock and for polishing ornaments. It is used in construction and for polishing ornaments. Next one is shale. Shale is made up of clay and mud particles that are built up in layers. Because of its clay content, it is used to make tiles and bricks. Shell is made up of clay and mud particles that are built up in layers. And because of its clay content, it is used to make tiles and bricks. Next one is limestone. Limestone is made up of a mineral called calcite. And this mineral come from shells of sea creatures. When shells, skeleton of millions of tiny sea creatures settle down in the seabed, they form layers and these layers harden to form limestone. Cement and lime are made by using limestone. Do you know? Chalk is one form of limestone. Limestone used for making bricks and glass and for separating pure iron metal from its ores. Do you know, children? Scientists can find out about life on Earth by studying sedimentary rocks. Yes, because the traces of ancient plant and animal life called fossils. Fossils are found in them. These may be shells, bones of animals, prints of leaves, or footprints. Dear students, this was all about sedimentary rocks. Next, we are learn about metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. As from the name metamorphic, meta, change, morph, form. Metamorphic rocks are formed by changing in original form of rocks. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks is the result of the transformation of an existing rock in a process called metamorphism, which means change in form. Most metamorphic rocks were once either igneous or sedimentary rocks. As time, existing igneous or sedimentary rocks get pushed deep into the earth. The weight of the rocks above them and the heat inside the earth changes the igneous or sedimentary rocks below into a different types of called metamorphic rocks. This is very slow process and it takes millions of years to form metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. Inside the earth, the nature of some igneous and sedimentary rocks changes due to the effects of tremendous heat or pressure and transform it into new rocks, and that is metamorphic rocks. So children, I hope understand how metamorphic rocks form. Metamorphic rocks. Types of metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. Tones and tones of pressure which fibers heat build up change them to metamorphic rocks. In some rocks, the minerals are broken into smaller ones, while in others, the minerals are stretched into flat particles. There are different kinds of metamorphic rocks. Dear students, there are many kinds of metamorphic rocks. First one is slate. It is a metamorphic rock formed from shale. Shale is sedimentary rock. It is usually dark in color. It is used in making slates, tiles, blackboards, etc. Slate is a metamorphic rock. Rock formed from shale. It breaks into thin layers. It is used to make slates and blackboards. Next one is gneiss. Gneiss or gneiss is a metamorphic rock that is formed from granite. Do you know, students, granite is igneous rock. Granite is type of one of the igneous rock. It has light and dark bands. It has light and dark bands. Gneiss uses sometimes flooring tiles. Next one is marble. Marble is a widely used metamorphic rock. Limestone changes into marble. Do you know, students, limestone is sedimentary rock. It is found in different colors. White being the most common, polished marble gleams, so it is used to make statues and buildings. Dear students, marble is a widely used metamorphic rock. Limestone changes into marble. It is found in different colors, white being the most common. Polished marble gleams, so it is used to make statues and buildings. Quartzite. Quartzite was once sandstone. Quartzite is too hard to be used as a building stone, but it is used for making statues. But it is very hard material. This is very hard material. Dear students, some examples of metamorphic rock formation are sandstone becomes quartzite. Limestone becomes marble. Dear student, this was all about metamorphic rocks. Okay, I hope clear about all the three types of rocks. Students, I hope all of you understand in this class. We will meet next class. Thank you.